Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. I want to take a quick second and thank all the channel members. Thank you all so much. Welcome anybody who's new, who may be just stopping by. If you're interested in the content, please hit that subscribe button down below and that bell notification icon. It'll notify you when I release new content and it'll also help the channel out a bunch. And if you guys were over on Instagram, I'm over there as well. Same handle is here at jevans_knifeaddict_life. So today we've got kind of a cool unboxing that was very much impulse buy. It was actually because of a text message that I got from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. So we're going to use the Null Knives Voodoo to get into this box. Oops. Hold on 1 second. Get any paperwork out of there. Hey, Smoky Mountain Knife Works came back with some stickers, guys. Well, a sticker. All right, let's see what we got in here. Smoky Mountain t-shirt and a white box. All right. So got us a knife shirt, a Smoky Mountain sticker, and a white box. All right, guys. A little certificate of authenticity. What we have here is a Smoky Mountain Knife Works Raptor V2, black PVD M390, show frame, toxic storm, fat carbon, lock frame, black PVD with zirconium accents. So guys, it is a Brian Brown Knives Raptor. Now I've got a Jaeger. I have never gotten a Raptor, but this one looked very interesting and the price looked very good. This is carbon fiber, which is gorgeous, totally different. So the whole show side is carbon fiber. And then you've got this backspacer and this titanium side. It's a narrow little knife. Detent seems swift, snappy. Let's see if it cuts. Let's see if it cuts. But guys, they've got several of these Smoky Mountain Knife Works version Raptors. I guess they're Smoky Mountain Knife Works exclusives like they do. But two of them, the Arctic and the Mars carbon fiber, are regular priced. And this one, very sharp. This one is discounted $100, or it was discounted $100. So I will put a link in the description. This is just an unboxing. It's first impressions. I love the stonewash PVD blade. Got a deep hollow grind here. Got a really nice frame lock, perfectly centered. Very light. It's a light knife. I guess that's because you don't have titanium on the show side as well. You just got that structural carbon fiber. I hit my finger. thumb studs are money. The reverse flick I can probably get off the, yeah, the reverse flick you can get right off the PVD blade. You don't even have to get them off the thumb studs, but you can get up there on those studs and really fire it out. But yeah, guys, I'm stoked. This is my first Raptor. I love my Jaeger, so I wanted to give this one a chance. And if you guys are at all interested, I will put a link to where I got this. And if it's still available, it is $100 off, which is what attracted me to take a chance on it. I will get back with you guys with a full review after I've carried it for a while. But I appreciate you all more than you know. I would ask, like I always do, please, please, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.